to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription on my channel. Now, I'm going to admit I did this one a little tricky, and I want to share with you what I did in case you guys are interested. Okay, so let me tell you about this subscription first, and I'm going to try my hardest not to lose you with all these numbers, okay? So this is called the Bijou Beauty Box, okay? So this is a monthly subscription. These are my notes, okay? This is a monthly subscription box. Now you have the option of going in at any time and just purchasing for the current month. If you do so for the month of October, as long as it hasn't lapsed at the time for the cutoff for October, then the current rate is $25 plus shipping and tax, okay? And that's normally $35, but they're having a sale and offering it for $25 as per their website. So if they're still offering the box, I don't know if they're out, but on their website it says that it's $25 on sale. So I believe they still have some. Okay. But if you subscribe and do just month-to-month subscription, it is $30 a month, and it's going to be plus tax. Let's see. There's a 3-month mystery box. Keep up with me, guys, because I'm going to tell you the trick in just a second, and I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so there's a 3-month mystery beauty box, right? And that's normally $90, so it'd be the 30 times 3, right? So $90 a month. But they are having a sale. Again, keep in mind, they're having a sale. So with the sale price, it is $75 plus tax, okay? So it's a one-time payment of tax. That's it, and you pay $75 and you get the box for 3 months, okay? Now, the 6th month is $138 plus tax, okay? Normally that would cost you $150, right? The 12-month is $252 plus tax, and it would normally cost you $276. So what I did, I got kind of, I guess, slick, smart, whatever. I watched a couple of other influencers unbox this subscription, and I noticed a couple of them said that they had some type of code where you could go in and save, I don't remember if it was 20%, I think it was 20%, and they kept saying off a single box, right? At the end of their statement, they would always say off a single box, okay? So when I saw Bijou Beauty Box on Instagram was announcing that they were having a sale, I was like, let me just try. And so I was doing the numbers, and I'm like, all right, the 6-month box, $138 plus tax. So I'd be saving, let me see, if it's normally $30, that would be $180 technically if I did month to month. And so it's on sale for $138 plus tax, right? So I was like, let me try and use one of their codes and save like I think it's 20%. I'm almost positive. But anyways, keep in mind, they said off a single box. But I was like, I'm going to apply the code and just see what happens. And I'll be damned, I saved the percent off the whole 6-month subscription. So I ended up getting a 6-month subscription for, like, with tax, I think it was just a little over $100. I'm just telling you guys the tea. I'm always going to keep it real. I feel like I got over, but I'm always going to share these things with you guys. Now, being that it's not my code, being that I haven't gotten permission to share it, I'm just going to tell you the channel names, okay? So all you have to do is look for one of their Bijou Beauty Box videos, go to their description, and they will have their code in there. So looking out for you guys. I recommend getting the 6-month, saving that huge percentage, and like I said, it's gonna get you 6 months worth of a $30 a month subscription for like $100. Let me know if it works for you guys, because it totally worked for me, and I'm not getting any perks off of this. I'm just telling you, I was super excited. I feel like I got a huge deal, and I wanted to save somebody some money. And it's going to be 5 full-size beauty products. So yeah, I feel like that's a great deal. you're gonna save a ton of money. And let's see, that's $100. I basically saved 80 bucks. So anyways, up to you guys if y'all want to try it. But I'll mention the channels that I know of had the code. So there was Porcelain. If you guys follow Porcelain, she had one. I believe Just Ann did. And then there's another channel called the Not So Evil Stepmother, okay? Again, I didn't ask any of them for permission to use their code. That's the only reason. I'm not putting in the description box below. So you're just going to have to do that extra little legwork. It won't take long. We just got our boxes today. They might have gotten theirs a day ago or whatever. So I'm sure theirs will be posted. If not, you can find theirs from last month. But they will have a code in their description to save you money. Just click their link, do all that good stuff, and if it works like it did for me, you'll spend like $100. Maybe I think it was like 104. I can't remember, but it worked. I got my box or my package, and so I can't wait to check it out and see what I got. So y'all let me know in the comments below, A, if you did it, and B, if it worked. And also, just let me know what you think of this subscription. I thought it looked pretty interesting, but y'all know I can't pass up a deal. Now, the company might get smart and realize, I don't know, especially with me putting it on YouTube, huh? Just keep it between us, guys. Okay, so here's the card that comes in here. It says Bijou Beauty Box, September 2019. Hey, babe, hope you love this month's box. This box comes with 5 products. And then it says possible brand variations. For more info, check out. And it gives you their website. So let me open these things up. It's got a bunch of like the squiggly paper and stuff. I'm going to dig my products out and then show them to you one by one. But I really feel like like I won, guys. You have no idea. It just feels so good to get a box like this. And especially when you see the type of stuff that's in here, you're going to be like, holy crap. Like, she did get a good deal. Okay, I think I got everything out of here. We'll see. Okay, so here's the first item that's in here. So this is simple, just a face mask. And it says Pop and Glow, Face It, Pop Art Face Mask. Okay. Face It Pop Art Face Mask, Instant Super Glow with Vitamin B. I don't know how to say it. Is it acai or acai? I forget how to say it. And papaya extracts. Anyway, this is a really cute mask. Looks like a, what is this called? Comic book or whatever. Pretty cool. Okay. Then they gave me a couple of pieces of candy. I always pass these on to Jalen. He runs in here after I do unboxings and he's like, oh, candy? Where'd you get that? Is that for me? So, that's going to be for Jalen. This other one is in this black package, so that's why I'm trying to open that up. I noticed the bag said fragile, so I'm kind of curious what's in here. All right, here's the next item. So this is by Medusa's Makeup. So this is a brush. Feels pretty good. And I've told you guys before, I love getting brushes on my subscriptions. Okay, then this is by Chantilly Cosmetics, and the shade is Diced Diamonds. And it looks like it is it says Glow Dust. So yeah, looks like this is gonna be You could probably use this as an eyeshadow. It's really pretty. Or a highlighter. It's probably got multiple purposes, but it's real pretty, really gold, shimmery. Okay, now here's the fourth item. And this is by Luna Udix. I would have said Lunatics, but it has a U in it. Luna Udix. Anyways, Gamma Gloss. The shade I got is Athena. So let me go ahead and open that real quick. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is such a strange name. Luna Utix or something. How would you guys say that? But like it's like a glittery lid. And that's a beautiful gloss. Very shimmery pink. So I like that color a lot. It's really pretty. Now, for my fifth and last item, I got a palette. A full-size palette. Okay, and so this is by J-Cat Beauty. It's called Sunset Boulevard. It is a 24 eyeshadow palette. Let me go ahead and open it up. And that's a very pretty, like, neutral palette. Okay, full size. Like, look, these pens are full size. These aren't the tiny ones. It's very pretty, very fall, definitely very fall. But I mean, you have so many transition colors in here, so this is a palette you can always reach for. So that's really nice. But yeah, a full-size palette, a beautiful lip gloss. I got a face mask that was super cute. I got this, like, I don't know if I would use it. I would probably use it as either one, honestly, but this glow does, so it's probably meant to be a highlighter, but I think it would be really pretty as an eyeshadow. But this is a nice size product. And then I got a brush, which I love. So what do you guys think? I mean, to me, I think it's a steal that I got all this for like $17, $18 a month. So if you're interested, try doing the trick that I did. Go to one of those influencers' pages. Look for their Bijou Beauty and sign up for, I mean, like I said, I would do the 6-month or even the 12-month, but I did the 6-month and then I typed in their code and yeah, I basically walked away with this deal. So anyway, I told you guys if I ever find deals, anything, I'm going to let you guys know. Hopefully the influencers don't mind. I would assume that maybe they would get a cut out of it by having people sign up, so maybe they'll be happy I told you. So again, Porcelain was one of them, the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I believe Just Ann. So go check out their pages, subscribe to their channels, and watch their videos, and sign up. Use those links and come back and let me know if it worked for you or if you're gonna sign up. But I think it's totally worth it. That's like full-size products for like $17, $18. Score. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you. See you in the next video.